Hazrat Huzaifa radiyallahu anhu reports that Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, "Who remembers the narration of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam about the commotion?" Hazrat Huzaifa said, "I have heard the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam saying, prayer, fast and charity expired the affliction in a man's household, property and neighbors." He said, "I do not ask about it, but I ask about that one which will gush one like tides." He said, "There is a closed door against it." He said, "Will that door be opened or broken?" He said, "That will be broken, and then it will never be shut till the day of resurrection." We said to Masruq, "Ask him whether Hazrat Umar knew that door." When he asked, the replied, "Yes, as someone knows the arrival of the night after the day." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1895.